There comes to a point where you see so many children and families failed by the systems. You have to take that final leap. Unfortunately, the current education system is a one-size-fits-all mould. Mainstream schools, they can't change their environments. They are big schools and they do accommodate the majority, and it's the minority that we need to help and support. We're called Darwin Education because we're adaptable. We want to adapt to meet the needs of the individual, to pass on that love of learning, because everyone has got a right to an education that suits them. Without provisions available to these students, we've seen a lot of young people that are vulnerable to exploitation, crime, and also falling behind academically as well. Their mental health then declines.
A lot of the time in school you don't get that same connection where you can actually understand them and what they have going on. They need one-to-one support.
We're very fortunate to be able to adapt every timetable to meet the needs of the individual. So we work towards the relational approach, making those attachments first of all to help raise their confidence levels. And once they are in that safe space, then they're ready to learn and happy with education as well.
For my son, he's been attending, I think, full-time for maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, and I've seen a massive change in him. He's really happy. He's able to meet like-minded people that have neurodiversity, such as he does as well. So he doesn't feel like he's on his own.
It's about seeing the change in a lot of these kids. You see them when they first get here, and they're so much different to how they are in, a week or 2 weeks. It's so amazing to see how they change their perspective on life itself.
They want to try new things, they want to go outside of their own comfort zones, and we're growing quite rapidly because the need is so great out there. The role of sport within education is a common language. It's great for mental health and a healthy lifestyle, which is something that we want to promote as much as possible.
Sport takes away those boundaries because you can be whoever you want to be. You can develop different skills, whether it's working on your own or with a team.
We have a men's football team attached onto us, which we are then expanding to a women's team and a fully inclusive non-binary team. We've had people from our football team come into the centre to speak to our students about the jobs that they do, and it's a community that bonds people. It's important to promote our local football clubs, Hitchin Town and Stevenage Football Club as well. A lot of the time they are safe spaces for the community and they give back to the community as well. The post-16 alternative provision with Stevenage Football Club is to support those that are leaving school at year 11. We are offering the same course as what college would, but it's adapted to meet their needs. So they'll be doing half the time at the Darwin Centre, half their time at Stevenage Football Club, learning the coaching and the practical aspects. Now, I've worked in education most of my life. Business is not my thing at all. We have Sage as our payroll, and that's really helped us. The main benefit is that it saves so much time. At the end of the month, click, click, and it's done. Now I've got more time to be with the students. I always remember, ever since being at primary school, I always wanted to be a teacher. My passion is passing on that knowledge and that love of learning. I hope that Darwin continues forever to support as many young people as possible, to give them the right to the education that they deserve.